I'm Diane, and I'm here to show you how to cut open a pomegranate. Pomegranate fruit is very, very high in vitamin C. It's great to help keep your blood pressure lowered. Has lots of antioxidants. There's just so many good, healthful vitamins and minerals. But I'm going to show you how to cut it open and get the seeds out, because the seeds is what you want. Okay, so this end here, when it grows on a tree, this is the end that attaches to the stem that attaches to the tree. A little flower grows down here. So you don't want to start your initial cut down here. You want it to be up here, and you don't want to cut it all the way through. You just want to go around so that you can just take and peel it back. See how easy that is? And a pomegranate, it grows in, it has sections to it. You get it out by sections. Okay. All right. Peel this back, and you'll see the seeds there. If you will notice, if you'll feel these ridges. There's one right there. There's another one. No, there's one. There's one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's usually 5 ridges here. You want to make your cut right there where the ridge is at. So you're not going to cut it all the way through, but you're just going to cut it like that. You're going to go around to the next ridge. Do the same thing. You should just be able to pull it apart. Just like that, like that. See the seeds in there? Now if you'll see that white, that's the membrane. You don't want that. Okay? But look at those seeds, and they are delicious. I forgot my wooden spoon, because I'm going to show you what you're going to do is you're going to give it a spanking. That's what I call it. So to get the seeds out, you're just going to flip it over and just tap it. Make sure you have a bowl underneath, or else you're going to have a big mess, because they do go everywhere. Okay, let's take a look here. Okay. This you just want to pick out. You don't want any of that. But it's actually, it's really easy. They're not all going to come out real easy, but all you have to do, it's real easy to get it off of the white membrane. This one's almost done. Okay. It's all done. I've got all the seeds out. I've got the seeds all out of the pomegranate. So now what we're going to do is fill this up with water. Just let's see how much membrane's left that I need to get out of there. And what you do is just spoon it. Could take a little a strainer, but this is just as easy. And they're delicious. Delicious. You've got to try some pomegranate. And the sad thing is, they're only around, they're seasonal. You can only get them this time of year. So you better act now. Go get you some pomegranates.